How secure are online budgeting and banking tools?
Online budgeting and banking tools have become common ways to manage money. But how secure are these tools? In this video, we'll answer the most frequently asked questions about their safety, highlight key security features, and share practical tips to help you protect your financial information when using digital finance platforms.
What security features do these tools offer?
Most reputable online budgeting and banking tools use strong security measures. These include encryption to protect your data, two-factor authentication for account access, secure logins, and automatic logout after inactivity. Some offer biometric verification, like fingerprint or facial recognition, for added protection. These features help keep your financial information private and guard against unauthorized access.
Can my data be shared or stolen?
The privacy policies vary, but quality services limit sharing personal information. Data breaches are rare but possible, even with strong security. Choosing tools with transparent privacy policies and a history of protecting customer data reduces risk. Always read privacy statements so you know how your data is handled, and opt for services that don't sell your information to third parties.
How can I use these tools safely?
Protecting your account depends on your habits as well. Use strong, unique passwords and change them regularly. Enable two-factor authentication when offered. Avoid using public Wi-Fi when accessing sensitive financial information. Keep your devices updated to the latest software, and be cautious about phishing emails or fake login screens that try to steal your credentials.
Are there risks compared to traditional banking?
Digital finance tools offer convenience, but there are unique risks. While banks have long-standing security systems, online tools may depend on third-party integrations that could present vulnerabilities. However, many digital platforms partner with established financial institutions to provide added protection. Staying informed and following best practices helps minimize risks and keeps your finances secure.
Final tips for secure digital finance.
Whether budgeting or banking online, security is a shared responsibility. Choose reputable tools with clear security commitments, stay proactive about protecting your logins, and regularly monitor your accounts for suspicious activity. By understanding the main risks and security features, you can confidently manage your money online while keeping your personal information safe.